Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the UAE Pass email OTP not working issue with the latest 2026 updates. Now, if your verification code isn't arriving or isn't accepted, this guide will help you fix it fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first step, you need to make sure that the email in your UAE Pass account is correct. One small typo means the OTP won't arrive. So here you can open your email application. Afterwards, you can tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then you can basically verify that you are using the same email address in your UAE Pass when you are basically adding the email address. So you need to verify the email spelling. Now sometimes the OTP lands in the spam, junk or the promotions folder as well. So in your email, tap on the three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to go to promotions. Here you need to look for the OTP. You can also just click on the three dots on the top left hand corner again. Afterwards, you just have to simply scroll down a bit and tap on the option of spam. So here you need to check all of these folders one by one and see if you find the OTP here in any of these folders. Now you need to go back in your UAE Pass application, then tap on the option of resend OTP. Wait for a full 60 seconds before try again. Sometimes it just take that extra moment. Now make sure that your phone has a stable internet connection too when you are performing all of these steps, or when you are even trying to get the OTP on your email address. A weak or disconnected network can also block the OTP delivery. So with the help of these few methods, you should definitely going to fix this particular issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below with what worked for you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.